The Public Attorney's Office is proud to present the one and the only Prince of R&B, Chris Lawrence!
All right. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Ako po si Chris Lawrence. Thank you so much for having me. Pao, Public Attorney's Office, maraming salamat po. I'm very happy to be here, spending this Saturday with you guys. I hope we can be friends in case we need each other in the future. And today, I have two special songs that I wanted to sing for you guys. Before I sing the first song, gusto ko lang batiin si Pao, Attorney Persida Acosta ng happy birthday. Happy birthday
Thank
sa'yo.
you. Thank you po.
Thank you po. And itong susunod na kanta, itong first song that I will sing for you guys, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting OPM. Mabuhay ang OPM!
Have a big hand again for Chris Lawrence! Our awardee for Outstanding Performer, Singer-Songwriter, Mr. Chris Lawrence. He is a multi-award winning Filipino-American singer-songwriter.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele.
Wow, thank you guys so much. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo kasi sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa inyo. I want to say thank you for making me part of your special day. Grabe, napakadami nyo dito. Ang saya-saya mag-perform sa harap nyo. And I want to say thank you for this recognition. This year, 2024, marks the 18th year in my showbiz career. And I just want to say that I'm so happy. I feel so blessed to be up on this stage, to be doing what I love to do 18 years later in the business. And it's all because of you guys. It's all because of God. Thank you so much, God. And maraming salamat sa inyong pong lahat. Mabuhay ang OPM.
Thank you and congratulations, awardee for Outstanding Performer, Mr. Chris Lawrence.